I know you see the title, and trust me, not a clickbait. My hair is falling apart and I am considering going bald. It's depressing to see your hair just falling out, and I feel like I just need to just make the initiative, or take the initiative rather, to just start from scratch. My hair has been falling out around the perimeter of my hairline, and let me just show you, like, it's really bad. Like, I am not even fronting. You can see the damage. You can see it. So when I first noticed that my hair was falling out at the front, I was saying to myself, maybe you're not being conscious enough to cover your hairline whenever you're using your tretinoid cream. But to my knowledge, tretinoid actually helps to grow your hair, which I had no clue. I started to contemplate on what could be the cause of this. Then it dawned on me that, oh my goodness, your hair is over processed from when you did that video on how to relax your hair. The thing that was keeping me from making that video was that I did not have any help to maneuver the cameras, and because I normally like to do stuff when I'm alone, so I had no one to help me. If I'm talking about relax hair so much, why am I not showing how to actually relax your hair at home? But the thing is that moving the camera, stopping here, applying, doing this, turning that affected my hair, because maybe a few weeks after, I realized that my hair had a little bit of elastic to it. Like whenever you pull on it, it bounces back. It had just too much elasticity in it. So that's when I knew that my hair was over processed. Because of that, my hair was breaking off, not falling out, because whenever your hair is falling out, it could be that it could be numerous things, like with your health, it could be stress. It wasn't falling out, it was breaking off. So that's when I knew that, hey, something is wrong. I was saying to myself, it could be from the ponytails, but then again, I've been wearing ponytails for a long time because I was just focused on the perimeter of my hair. But when I noticed the sides and the back was also falling off and breaking off, I realized that I actually overprocessed my hair. So since that video I made about November, I haven't put any relax on my hair because I have to try to get my hair to be strong. So I have been doing my rigorous protein treatment and deep conditioning to try to eliminate my hair from the continuous breakage. I've been using my Olapex also too for any damages. I have went to a professional to get my hair cut because I cut about 5 inches off my hair, and then I would trim it up myself occasionally. I mean, this hair, it does grow back. I wasn't planning on making any videos to say, hey, my hair is falling apart and being dramatic about it, because yes, your hair means a lot to some people and its whole sentimental value, especially if you know that you work on your hair a long time. In my time away from relaxer, I was thinking, do you need to go natural? Because I'm a type of girl where I'm not fixated on one thing. Like, I can be natural tomorrow, I don't care. Frankly, I miss sew-ins, which I have one in now, which I would talk about. I miss sew-ins, I miss braids because I really like them. But then I try to educate myself on these things, and I realized that even people that are natural, they're having breakage too when it comes to braids too. It's not just relaxed hair, because I realized the tension is not good for relaxed or for natural hair. So that's why I have been staying away from like braids and sew-ins, because of the tension and because your hair is not as strong as it is when you're natural. As I said, it's not good for both, really, if it's not done properly. That's why I went to a professional to get my hair cut. I have been keeping up with making sure that I maintain my leave outs. I even went the route of buying online that is good for. One of them that I read about is pumpkin oil. I heard that it's very good for your hair, so I'm not using it yet. Also, this one, I cannot pronounce this one, but it says too that it is great for hair growth. Doesn't have a bad scent. I am a little bit iffy about scents. That's why I don't use castor oil, because I do not like the scent at all.
No ma'am, no ma'am.
So this one does not smell so bad. I even went to the route of buying red onion oil because they said it stimulates your hair growth potential. It helps with dandruff. It gives your hair nourishment and really boosts hair regrowth. And that's something that I really need from my edges. I mean, up in here is great, like it's thriving. It's just the hairline. I realized that most parts are a little bit more sensitive when it comes to relaxer. So I'm trying not to leave it on for too long moving forward. I'm gonna do a separate videos on all the oils that I purchase and what I'm going to do and how I'm going to incorporate it into my new venture. Also, let me just point out before I close it out, I have been using this one and it's hard to get, but I found it at Sally's. I have been using this recently along with this one that I'm used to, which is the Curls Blueberry and Mint Scalp Treatment. I like this one because it has mint in it. This gives me a tingling on my scalp that I really like. It helps me to sleep good at night too because it's just really soothing. It's very disappointing when you know you have worked on your journey, on your hair journey for a while, but I am optimistic that whether or not I cut it off, I try to remend the damages. It's okay to start over. It's okay to work at it. It's just hair. So I'm learning a little bit as I go, but I was talking to my friend about just going bald, just start from scratch, but she convinced me that I can just work on the edges and try to get it back. So that's what I am doing now, because I hate when I like put my hair up in a ponytail. I have this long hair and then the pyramid looks awful. What I'm doing is, I know, protective style, not necessarily because it can cause further damage, but I went to a professional. I did a consultation with her before. She's really great. Cost me a little penny. I even had to pay for the consultation and go back another week for my hairdo. So we went over everything about tension and how she's going to do it, part of the parts that are damaged so I can focus on them, doing my protein treatment, doing my oils, doing my massages, stuff like that. So my braid down is not tight at all. I barely felt the cornrows, like no tension. She was very gentle with it, because sometimes you can hear your hair breaking if it has too much tension when I'm doing a cornrow. And she used a net too so that she doesn't go into my hair too much. So what I'll be mindful of is when I am taking down the hair, I use a lot of oil, and I'm going to make sure that I do a really good treatment. My maintenance throughout this sewing is that I wash my hair every week still, and I try to get between the hair like after 3 days and try to add some of the oils to it. So I try my best and actually go in and spray my leave-in conditioner in my hair. I try to maintain the hair under sewing and around it. I don't stray away from my wash day routine. I try to wash my hair every 7 days, but this time I did my hair yesterday, it was 10 days, so I'm not passing 10 days. I'm washing my hair religiously just to make sure that my hair is at its healthiest form. I'm really into this sewing. This time I decided to go straight because normally I'll put some curls in it, but I like it straight. I think it looks super cute. And this hair is from my hair company, which is called New Secret Hair. I sell 100% the highest grade virgin hair out there because I believe in quality. I believe when you spend your money, you're supposed to buy something good that can last you a very long time. And with this, I wash it many times. I comb it out, no sheds, no nothing. I like my hair jet black, so I went ahead and dyed jet black just to match my real hair, but that's all I did to it, and it looks great. Every single time I wash it, it looks brand new. You try not to sew in any hair extension. Just when you get a relaxer, try to wait at least a month for it to grow out a little bit. So I'm just going to keep doing it. I might relax my hair again after I take this out for the first time since November. I'm skeptical because normally I only relax my hair every 2 months. I don't do stretching of relaxers because it's tricky. When your hair grows out so thick, the strands of the relaxer part can barely hang on, so they will break. It's easy to break. But given that my hair is over processed, I have to stay away from relaxer for a while. So if it's completely damaged, I am going to snip, going bald, honey, and then starting all over again. Which I hope not, but yeah, that's my update on my relaxed hair. Pray for me. So if you have any suggestions down below, if you think I should just snip, let me know down below what you think. And I will see you in my other video where I will be discussing different oils that I'm using and how I'm going to implement them into my routine to regrow my hair fresh and nice and healthy again. So I'll see you in my next one. Bye.